So negativa, the negative, is this position where we're sitting on our heel with the balls of our toe on the ground. Our front leg could lift up. We don't want our legs spread, and we don't want our elbow up. We want to protect our ribs and our head. The head can move. The torso can't move that much to get out of the way of things, so we want to protect it. So we're sitting on our back foot, and we want to learn how to sit down. So we can go back, and try to just use that one hand. If you need to, you can use two, but just try to use the one eventually. Negativa. Do the other side. Negativa. So yeah, if it's too hard for you to switch to that one hand, put the other one down and then switch hands. I think I'll give an example of that. It's as though you got pushed, and then that's how we respond. Something comes at you. Negativa is an answer to things. It's not somewhere we go without something to move us there. We don't want to just sit down in negativa because it's cool. We want a reason to be there. Negativa. If I have to, again, I can use even both hands to try to stand up here if I haven't developed the strength yet. If I need that backhand, I can use it. I don't want my front leg straight either. I want to keep that bent. If it gets stepped on or impacted, you can hyperextend your knee with force, which is not good. So I can work on that with no hands even for strength. And then here's adding negativa y hole. Two hands all the way around. See how I go back? My front knees stays bent, and my front foot becomes the axis of my rotation. Negativa hole. Negativa hole. All the way around. Not stopping on the side. And then here's some negativa variations. Negativa hole. Negativa fugida y hole is what we call this back fugitive hole. Escaping back. And then we have negativa chapéu de couro. So instead of just hole, we're reaching our leg up, kicking with our shin, pointed foot. I picture this going for collarbone on the way down. Can hit the ribs on the way up. Can hit the head as well. That's less of a, that's defense and attack. Negativa lateral. Y hole back to that queixada, ready to kick queixada position, a third of the way around. And then negativa do fundo, coming from the back leg, pulled all the way back, and hole. This has a lot of uses as well. This is how we get into chisora.